Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video. So this is today's 5 arithmetic question series. So let's get started. Set M consists of 6 consecutive numbers in which the sum of the first term and the fifth term is 42. The last term of set N containing 4 consecutive odd numbers is equal to 2 times the average of the number in set M. Find the average of set N. Okay, so since in the set M they had given that 6 consecutive numbers, okay, and they also given that the sum of the first and the fifth term is 42, which is x. See here I have taken the first number as x and later I am keep on increasing it like x plus 1, x plus 2, 3, 4 and x plus 5. Okay, here they had given that the sum of first and the fifth term, so this is the fifth term, x plus 4 will be equal to 42. So 2x will be equal to 38 and x will be equal to 19. Okay, and the last term of the set N containing 4 consecutive odd numbers means the set N which consists of 4 consecutive numbers and those are odd numbers. And here the last term of set N, so this last term here now, so this one will be equal to 2 times the average of the number in set M. So if we want to calculate the average of the set M, here we can see these two are the terms which comes in the middle. Okay, so 43, so 43 by 2 will give you the average of this set M, and here they have told that it is 2 times the average of the number in set M. So this average into 2 times, so if I solve this, I will get 43. So this is the last number in the series N. Okay, so if this is 43 and this will be 41, because since they had mentioned that this at the N 4 consecutive odd numbers means if the 43 is odd number, the previous odd number will be 41. So if we keep on writing like that, this will be 39 and this is 37. Okay, and they had asked to find the average of the set N. So in order to calculate the average here, so the term which comes here will be the average. Okay, so we can directly write it as 40, or if you want to do it in like first term and last term by 2 or the middle one by 2, so we will get like 39 plus 41 divided that is equal to 80, which is divided by 2 will give you 40. Next question. A rectangle garden 56 meter long and 42 meter broad and is surrounded by a road, and the road is 2 meter wide along the length and 4 meter wide along the breadth. So what is the total cost of the marble flooring on that road, which is at the rate of 30 rupees per meter square. Okay, so if we consider this as a rectangle garden, so and this is the road, and they have mentioned that the road is 2 meter wide along the length. Okay, so this is the length, and along the length it is 2 meter wide, and also it is 4 meter wide along the width. Okay, this is the this is the breadth, it is 4 meter wide. Okay, so therefore by extending this I have written the another rectangle. I know this is not like a perfect rectangle here, so you just assume it like this is also 4 and this will be equal to 4 also, and if this is 2 this will be also equal to 2. Okay, and they have mentioned that the length of the rectangle first initially it was 52 meter. So after after increasing the width, means after adding the road's width also, then it got increased by 56 plus 8, 4 plus 4 will be 8. Okay, and here this is the breadth of the rectangle which is earlier, that is 42, and if I increase 2 here and 2 here, so then it will be plus 4. So this is the area of the rectangle along with the road. Okay, so that is 56 plus 8 into 42 plus 4. So after this, by adding 56 plus 8 it will give 64, and 42 plus 4 will be 46. So if I multiply this I will get 2944, and here this is the area of the rectangle which was earlier. Okay, so that is this 56 into 42. So that will give you 2352, and here we want only this area and the cost for flooring this road. Okay, so here we have to subtract this rectangle from this big rectangle. Okay, therefore 2944 minus 2352 will give you 592, and here they had mentioned that so the per square kilometer they are paying 30 rupees. Okay, that's why I multiplied it by 30, then the answer will be 1,77,060. Next question. A boat traveled a total of 96 km. The boat travels first 54 km distance in the downstream within 3 hours, and the rest distance it covers in upstream in 3.5 hours. So if the speed of the stream is increased by 20%, then what is the distance traveled by boat in the downstream in 5 hours? Okay, so they had mentioned that the total distance will be 96 km. So let's assume like the boat is coming downways like this, and it covers a distance of 54 km. So later what it does, it covers the remaining 42 km in the upward direction. Okay, so that is we know that the distance divided by the time will give you the speed. So that's why I have written here 54 divided by 3, and here 42 divided by 7. 7 into here 2, because I have written the 3.5 as 7 by 2. So if I write 42 divided by 7 by 2, 2 will goes upwards. Therefore, the answer will be 18 and 12. Okay, so this is the downstream speed and this is the upstream speed. So we know that if we add this x plus y by and dividing it by 2, we will get the speed of the boat in still water. Okay, so if this is 15, this will be 3 and this will also be 3. Okay, and here they have mentioned that so if we have to increase it by 20%, so earlier it was 3, so I am going to increase it by 20%, which is 6 by 5. Okay, so then what happens here? And we know that in order to calculate the distance, we have to multiply speed with time. Here this is the speed of the boat in still water, and if I add the speed of the boat speed of the stream, okay, this is 15 plus 3 into 6 by 5 into the total time taken, means they already mentioned that in 5 hours what is the distance it cover in downstream. So that's why I am multiplying here. This is the speed and this is the time. I will get what I'll get 75 plus 18 will give you 93 km. So this is the answer. So next question. The ratio between the income of J and P will be 5:7, and that the ratio between the income of the P and K is 14:12. So if the sum of the income of J, P and K is 21600, then we have to find the income of P. So this is the simple question. Like J and P are in the ratio 5:7. This is the income, and here they had given the ratio of P and K. So that is 14:2. So we have to make it equal here and here. So that's why I have written like this. So by multiplying 2 to the above ratio, I will get a 10:14:12. Okay, and they have given that this 21600 will be equal to the sum of this, that is 36. And if I want the income of P, I have to multiply it with 14. Okay, then after multiplying it, I will get 12 sevens are 84. So this is the income of the P. So next question. The average age of 15 cricketers in a team is 40 years, and after removing the oldest and youngest cricketer from the team, then the average age of the remaining cricketers will become 39. If the difference between age of the oldest and youngest cricketer is 37, then find the age of the youngest cricketer. Here, so in the question they have mentioned that there are 15 cricketers in a team and their average is 40 years. Okay, so if I multiply the number of cricketers with their average, I will get the total age of those cricketers. Okay, so after that they have said they will remove the oldest and youngest cricketer, means 2% will be removed from the 15s. Therefore therefore the person will remain will be 13 persons and their average will become 39. Okay, so if I multiply 13 persons with 39, I will get 507. Okay, and so if I subtract this 507 from 600, I will get the value as 93. And also in the question they have mentioned that the difference between the oldest and youngest cricketer will be 37. Fine, that is x minus y will be equal to 37. So if we solve both the equations, we will get the x is equal to 65 and y is equal to 28. And they asked the age of the youngest cricketer. So obviously here which one is the youngest here, so we have to consider that as the answer, and here y is the youngest, which is 28 years. So that's it. So today I'm done with the daily 5 arithmetic series. So please to subscribe and support, and thanks for watching.